Yeah. Didn't I tell you I clean this room up? Yeah. If this room ain't clean, but... Oh, hey, Pookie. Oh, no. Daddy wasn't talking. No, of course. No. Daddy was not talking to you. Talk to your brothers. No, y'all clean up. And now you know what I'm saying? Look, matter of fact, I'm going to go build you a room because this ain't it for you. Come on, Momos. I'm going to get you a new room. Come on. Get up out here. We ain't got to worry about this no more. Clean it up. Oh, hey, Pookie. What? You want a cookie? All right, I give you a cookie, but you can't tell nobody else I gave you a cookie, all right? Because you tell your brothers, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a whole thing. So, look, I'm going to let you get one, all right? I'm going to let you get one, but you can't tell nobody. Don't tell your mama, don't tell your brothers, none of that, okay? So, okay, you going to take this cookie? All right, here. There you go. Now, shh, don't tell nobody, all right? You're going to come down here and we're going to be tripping, all right? Daddy got you all the time. Bro, what is you talking about? I ain't got no cookies. No, I didn't give her no cookies. I didn't give mamas no cookies, bro. Listen, all that crying stuff, you can say that for your mama. Look, go on somewhere with that mess. Look, I gave her some grapes. You want some grapes? Huh? Nutritious, you know, some good old grapes, some fruity grapes for you. That'd be good. Oh, you don't want them? All right then. Kick rock. That's what you know what I'm saying. That's what I gave her, bro. Look, that's my story. Don't stick it to it. I gave her some grapes. You want some grapes? No? All right then. Marcus, this is the last time I'm gonna tell you. I'm not going to no McDonald's, bro. Nah, man. I told you, bro. I ain't got no McDonald's money. I ain't got it. What? What you say, Mom Wise? You said you want some McDonald's? All right, we'll go to McDonald's. All right, just cause you want to go to McDonald's, I got you. Don't even be a trip. My bad. I ain't know you was hungry. Hey, but y'all gonna have to order off the value menu, though. Feel me? Say you want a Happy Meal, Princess Happy Meal? I got you, Mama. Don't even be a trip. I got you. Daddy got you. Marcus, I just said I was going, bro. Dang, chill. What? Wait, you got in a fight? Did you win? God dang. All right, let me put my shoes on. Who's that? Somebody yelling at you. Who? What they said? Come on, it don't even matter. Come on, let's go. I told you that. Get up. Get back. Get back. Wait, listen. We're gonna go out here and we're gonna get them boys. Listen, it don't matter. I don't care nothing about no quick crime. Cause either you gonna whoop him or whoop me. Let's go. Come on. Oh, they out here trying to jump you? Or it's just a fight, it's one-on-one? It don't matter. It doesn't even matter. Where's my strap at? Hey, we finna go handle that. Come on, baby. Don't nobody mess with my baby girl. Let's go.